Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah sallam. Our lesson today, we are talking about the equality of the areas of the two parallelograms. We know the parallelogram is a quadrilateral which has its two opposite sides are equal and parallel. The parallelogram is a quadrilateral, consists of four sides. Its two opposite sides are equal and parallel. Today, we are talking about the equality of the areas of the two parallelograms. If we have two parallelogram with the same bases and lies between the two parallel lines, one of them carrying the base equal in area. The area, the two parallelograms with a common base and lies between the two parallel straight lines, one is carrying this base are equal in area. Here, the parallelogram ABCD and another parallelogram EBCF. The two parallelogram with a common base BC and the two bases AD and EF on the same straight line which is parallel to BC, then the area of ABCD equal area of EBCF. The two parallelograms with the common base and lies between the two parallel straight line, one of them carries the base, are equal in area. In the opposite figure, ABCD and AFED are two parallelograms. Prove that the area of ABCG equal the area of DEFG. Number one, here we have two parallelograms with the common base AD. We have two parallelograms ABCD and another parallelogram AFED. The two parallelogram with a common base AD. And the two other bases BC and EF on the same straight line which is parallel to the base, then we can write the area of ABCD equal the area of AFED. Look at the triangle ADG. The triangle ADG. This triangle belongs to the two parallelograms. If we subtract the area of ADG, then area of ABCG equal area of DEFG. Another ABCD and AFED are two parallelograms with the common base AD and AD parallel to BE. Then we can write the area of two parallelograms are equal in area. Then area of ABCD equal area of AFED. Look, the triangle AGD. If we subtract the area of triangle AGD from the two bases, then area of ABCD minus area of AGD equal area of AFED minus AGD. Then the part of ABCG equal the area of DEFG. The important corollaries, it means the notes on the theorem. Here, the rectangle is type of parallelogram. The theorem, if the two parallelogram with the common base and lies between the two parallel line, one of them carrying this base are equal in area, then we can set to the area of rectangle area of the parallelogram with the common base. Then the parallelogram and the rectangle with the common base and between the two parallel straight lines are equal in area. We know area of rectangle equal length by width. Then we can set to area of parallelogram equal the length of the base time corresponding height. Here, the parallelogram which has two bases, then it has two heights. Each base has corresponding heights. Then the area of parallelogram equal the length of the base time corresponding height. Here the two bases, the base CB, the corresponding height DF, and another base AD, the corresponding height DE. Then we can set to the area of parallelogram equal BC, the base, time corresponding height DE, or D time DF, or the area of the base AB, time corresponding height DE. Number 3, the parallelogram with the base are equal in length. Here, the parallelogram which has the common base. Common base, it's mean equal in length. Then if we have two parallelogram, the two bases are equal, and the lines between two parallel lines are equal in area. Then the parallelogram with the base equal in length and lying on the straight line. The opposite sides to the base are on another straight line are equal in area. The theorem to parallelogram with the common base. Here's the coordinates. The two parallelogram with the equal in the base. In each of the following, A, B, C, D parallelogram complete. Number 1, the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram, here's the base equal 8 and the corresponding height equal 6. Area of parallelogram equal base time height. 6 times 8 equal 48 centimeter per 2. Number 2, the base equal 4 and another base equal 8. But here we have one of the height. Height EF corresponding base equals 8. Then area equals 8 times 3, 24 centimeter per 2. Number 3, the area of parallelogram, we have two bases. One of them equals 8 and another equal 12. But here the corresponding height 4, the corresponding base equals 8, then equal 4 times 8 equal 48. Number 4, the area of parallelogram is 1.7. Area equal base time height. Then if want to find the height, height equal area over base. Base equal area over height. Here the area equal 1.7 centimeter meter per 2. XY. XY. Height of the base AB. Then we can write XY equal area over the length of AB. Then 1.7 over 0.5. It will be 3.4 centimeter per 2. Here area of parallelogram equal 2400. Find the length of DC. DC is the base and the corresponding height equal 40. Then BD equal 4400 divided by 40 equal 60 centimeters. Find the length of AF. AF is the height corresponding base C B. CB equals the opposite sign. So CB equal 48. Then AF equals 2400 divided 48 equal 50 centimeters. The last one, find the length of DF. DF is the height of corresponding base AB. And we have two bases, then DF equal 20 divided by 3, or DF equal the area is 40. 45 times 8 over 6 centimeters equal 20. divided by 3. In the opposite figure, B parallel to DE, X belong to AB, and Y belong to AB. X, D, E, Y is a rectangle, and AD parallel to BE. Number 1, find the area of ABED. Since AB parallel to ED and AD parallel to BE, then ABED is a quadrilateral in which two opposite sides are parallel. Then ABED is a parallelogram. Area of parallelogram equal base time height. This base is 12 and the height is 24. Then the area equal 12 times 24 equal to 188 centimeter per 2. Number 2, if AD equals 30, then find the length of perpendicular from B to AD. The perpendicular is the height. AD perpendicular from B to AD equals area divided by base. Area 288 divided by 30 equal 9.6 centimeter. Choose the correct answer. If the base of the parallelogram 7 and the corresponding height 4, then the area equal base time height. Area equal base time height 7 times 4 equal 28 centimeter per 2. Number 2, if the area of parallelogram 35 and the height equal 5, then the length of corresponding base, the base equal area divided height. The base equal 35 divided by 5 equals 7 centimeter. Number 3, ABCD is a parallelogram. AB 5, BC 10, and the smaller height equal 4. Then the greater height equals here the greater base corresponding to smaller height, and the smaller base corresponding to greater height. Then the area of parallelogram equal greater base times smaller height. Greater base 10, smaller height 5. The area equal 10 times 5 equal 40. The greater height equal area over smaller base. Area 40 divided by 5 equals 8 centimeter. Number 4, the parallelogram of the area 50 centimeter per 2, and the length of the two bases and the length of its base equal twice the corresponding height. The base equal twice of the height. If height equal x, then the base equal twice equal to x. Area equal base time height, then the area equal 2x multiplied by x equal 2x power 2. Then we can write the area 2x power 2 equals 50. Then x power 2 equal 25. Then x equals 5 centimeter. Then the height equals 5 centimeter and the base equals 10 centimeter. Today we know the area of parallelogram equal base time height, and we know the parallelogram which has two bases and two heights. The smaller base corresponding to greater height and the greater base corresponding to smaller height. Thank you and goodbye.